Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful lessons that can completely transform your mindset. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like happiness is slipping through your fingers? Like no matter how much you achieve, you still feel restless inside? The truth is, we live in a world where people chase happiness as if it's hidden somewhere outside. But the Stoics believed something radically different. They believed happiness is built within, through daily practices, through discipline, and through mastering your own mind. Imagine waking up each morning with a calm heart, no matter what chaos waits outside. Imagine walking through the storms of life and still feeling grounded, peaceful, and unshaken. That's not just philosophy, it's a way of life. Today, I'll share with you 5 Stoic principles that can push you to live happily every single day. And when you practice them, you'll feel a strength inside you that nothing can take away. Let's begin. Principle 1. Focus only on what you can control. Every day, countless things are going to test you: traffic, rude people, unexpected failures. But the Stoics taught us one thing. You cannot control the outside world. You can only control your response. Think about it. How much energy do we waste trying to fight things that are beyond us? Instead, when you shift that energy inward and accept what you cannot change, you instantly free yourself from unnecessary suffering. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. The moment you live this truth, your peace becomes unshakable. Principle 2. Practice gratitude every single day. The Stoics lived simply, and yet they felt rich. Why? Because they trained their minds to be thankful for what they already had. We often think happiness will come with more money, a bigger house, or recognition from others. But the Stoics flipped the script. True happiness is realizing you already have enough. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." So every morning, before you even touch your phone, whisper 3 things you're grateful for. Watch how this small habit transforms your day. Principle 3. Embrace discomfort instead of running from it. We live in a world that avoids pain at all costs, but the Stoics believed discomfort was the key to growth. Think about it. Muscles grow only when they are tested. The mind is no different. Seneca used to practice poverty. He would eat the simplest meals and wear rough clothes just to remind himself that he could survive anything. Why? Because once you stop fearing discomfort, life cannot break you. So when challenges come, don't ask, "Why me?" Instead, ask, "What strength can I build through this?" That's how you turn pain into power. Principle 4. Live with virtue above all else. The Stoics didn't measure life by wealth, fame, or power. They measured it by virtue, by asking, "Am I living with wisdom, justice, courage, and self-discipline?" Happiness, for them, wasn't about feeling good. It was about living good. Think of it this way. A man who lies, cheats, and betrays others may win temporary pleasures, but inside, he's empty. Meanwhile, the man who acts with integrity may struggle outwardly, but inside, he stands tall and free. When you align your daily choices with virtue, you create a happiness that no one can steal. Principle 5. Remember the shortness of life. The Stoics practiced memento mori. Remember that you will die. At first, this sounds dark, but in truth, it's freeing. When you remember life is short, you stop wasting time on gossip, grudges, and meaningless pursuits. You start valuing each sunrise, every conversation, every small chance to love and to live fully. Happiness is not found in forever. It's found in the moments you are truly alive. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now." Let that determine what you do and say and think. Now imagine this. If every single day You focused only on what you can control, practiced gratitude, embraced discomfort, lived with virtue, and remembered the shortness of life. How much stronger, calmer, and happier would you become? You wouldn't need to chase happiness anymore. You would embody it. So, don't just listen to these Stoic principles. Live them. Start today, because happiness isn't waiting for you somewhere in the future. It's built in the choices you make, moment by moment, right now. If you found value in this, subscribe for more wisdom that will keep your mind strong and your heart at peace. And remember, true strength begins inside.